Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today let me see about the advantage of biofertilizer over chemical fertilizer. First, what is biofertilizer? Biofertilizer is a substance which contains living microorganisms. When it is applied to seeds, plant surface or soil, it helps to promote the growth by increasing the supply or availability of primary nutrients. Like biofertilizer or not fertilizer. Biofertilizers add nutrients through the natural processes of fixing atmospheric nitrogen, solubilizing phosphorus, and stimulating plant growth through the synthesis of growth promoting substance. The few examples of biofertilizer is azospirillum, rhizosbium, and etc. Next, what is chemical fertilizer? Chemical fertilizer have been widely used to achieve maximum productivity in a conventional agriculture systems. The continuous and excessive utilization of chemical fertilizer, it plays a major role directly or indirectly in changing the environmental conditions. Few advantages of biofertilizer over chemical fertilizer. Biofertilizer act as a supplement to chemical fertilizers, and also biofertilizer are cost friendly and can aid to decrease the consumption of chemical fertilizer. Microbes in biofertilizer, it fix the atmospheric nitrogen directly into the plants. They aid in solubilization and mineralization of other plant nutrients like phosphates. Biofertilizer enrich the soil nutrients. They help to get high yield of crops by making the soil rich with nutrients and then better suited than chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizer disrupt the natural nutrients contents of the soil, but biofertilizer maintain that like before. Biofertilizer not harmful for plants. Plant growth can be increased if biofertilizer are used because they contain natural components which do not harm to the plants. Beneficial for soil microbes. Useful microorganisms necessary for the growth of plants can remain in the soil. They protect the natural fertility of the soil. If the soil will be free of chemicals, it will retain in natural fertility, which will be beneficial for the plants as well as the environment. Plants are easily adapted to the biofertilizer. The biofertilizer destroyed those harmful components from the soil which cause disease in the plants. Plants can also be protected against drought and other strict conditions by using biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are way more economic and can be readily prepared or collected by the farmers can make use of them. Biofertilizers are eco-friendly in nature. They are environment friendly and protect the environment against pollutants. Disadvantage of chemical fertilizer. They get washed away by water easily and cause pollution. They harm the microbes present in the soil and also they reduce the soil fertility. They are expensive. Then they provide only short-term benefits. They change the nature of soil, making it either too acidic or too alkaline in nature. Few examples of chemical fertilizer: urea, ammonium phosphates, and etc. Chemical fertilizer in soil degradation. Excessive use of fertilizer can significantly raise acidity levels and create macronutrient saturation, or change it to the point where the soil loses sensitivity and absorbency to various nutrients. Chemical fertilizer in groundwater contaminations. It applying excessive doses of fertilizer may leak into the area below the root zone and reach the groundwater contamination. Then, chemical fertilizer also involved in the salt burns. These burns indicate the excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Fertilizers with a high saline index and chemicals like sodium nitrate are the ones that get the most attention for follow-up to avoid the salt burns. The excessive growth. Because of the excessive and uncontrolled application of chemical fertilizers, the proportions and growth of the plants may exist typically. Thank you for your watching.